Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a Dollar Tree haul, and I'm going to share the household items today as well as the beauty items and random finds all in one. I don't have enough in each category to split it up, so let's just jump right in. They had a bonus size of the paper towels today. They had the 176 count today. And you can do custom sizes, and I prefer to have just like the one little sheet here. So these should last me a good while, and I got 2 of those. I did get 3 of the Scotty's tissues. Those are 128 count each. If you haven't noticed or caught on yet, I am doing a stock up again. The last big stock up I think I did in April or something like that, so I'm just stocking my cabinet back up. I got some Sure Fresh freezer quart size bags. I use these to split up large portions of meat to freeze. These work great, and I never have any issues out of them. You get 20 bags. Aluminum foil, and I got the roll this time. This is not my favorite, but I need it to be longer than the sheets because the sheets they've made shorter now for the Dollar Tree. They've changed them, so I got a roll this time. I needed to have a backup of my toilet cleaner, and I like to use the Lime Away, and this stuff is really good, so I got that. I picked up 2 Swabadoil Completes, and I love this stuff for its color protection and easy stain removal. It's a bonus that it's like a fabric softener as well, but I like that. I also picked up one of the Good and Clean disinfectant wipes, and it says it kills cold, flu virus. It's lemon scented. They had lemon scent, fresh scent, and lavender. And I picked up the 30 count, which they're saying it's a bonus, but I have picked up the Good and Clean wipes that have 36 in here, so I was hoping to find that today but did not. It's still a good deal for $1.25 and what I need them for. I bought this for the bathroom. And then one of the LA's Totally Awesome 2-in-1 laundry detergent plus fabric softener, 21 loads. I get about 11 loads out of this. I like to do large loads, so I use 2 capfuls. It's in the fresh scent. It's 42 fluid ounces, and it's decent. I mean, it works. I can't complain. And I did do a Dollar General stock up where I got a couple of these, but in the rain scent, which is nice too. But I do like this one better, just scent wise. So I picked up one today. And I would have picked up scent booster and gel solid air fresheners, but they didn't have any today either, so I had to skimp out on that stuff. But that's most of the items for house. I just got a couple more house items that are, you know, mostly like laundry, bathroom, kitchen kind of stuff. 100 count of the flexible straws, and 1 package of the paper plates, and this is 40 count. And I got this because in summer we eat a lot of sandwiches and stuff for quickness because it's hot. I'm trying to use the oven and stuff, so yeah, just picked up a 40 count paper plates. And one other thing, but this is actually, I'm just going to share this now, but this isn't even for the kitchen. It's just a package of napkins. It's 150 count. We probably will use some for the kitchen, but I mostly got this for my nail art stamping and nail cleanup. I like to use napkins for that, so I picked this package of napkins up for that. So I want to share that now. Connor's, his favorite gum is this Icebreakers Ice Cubes Arctic Grape, and he loves this one, so I picked that out. And then we also found these Dry Fresh 1 pair of full cushion thermal extreme heat socks. That several different ones of these to choose from. Quick camera angle change. I found some really nice beauty kind of finds. So we're just going to start off by stuff that I have repurchased. So it's the Secret deodorant, my favorite solid deodorant in Powder Fresh. and it's 1.5 ounces, 24-hour solid, and this is a really nice deodorant in my opinion, so I will always pick that up. And then I found a new body wash. I wasn't there to pick up body wash, but I saw this one and I had to have it, and it's from the Eve St. Clair Bath Essentials Coconut Shea Butter Scented Moisturizing Body Wash. It's a deep cleansing formula and leaves skin softer and smoother. It's 20 fluid ounces for $1.25, so it's a really good deal. The only thing is, I can tell it's a little liquidy, but I think it probably will lather really good, and it looks like one of those very moisturizing kind of formulas. So I am hopeful for this, and it smells so good, and I think the pink packaging is super cute. Next up, more nail art or more nail items. I picked up a Assured brand 100% pure cotton balls, the 100 count. I think they're always 100 count. So I picked those up for nail polish removal or toner, witch hazel, you know, that kind of thing. And then I was excited to see this because a lot of times my store does not have this in stock, but I bought 2 in April. I'm almost actually done with that second bottle. I was like, well, I found this again at my DollarTree. I'm gonna buy 3 of them. Well, today I ended up getting 4 of them. But it's the super dry, quick dry top coat, and it does work. It's glossy, it dries very quickly, and it does help prevent chipping. I use this all the time now, and I had to pick up a bunch of them. So yeah, I picked up 4. This is very, very similar and supposedly a dupe, and I would say pretty close to it anyways, because now I do have the Maniology smudge free top coat, so I have tested these and it definitely helps with streaking of the nail art stamping. So I like it for that too, that I don't have to use 2 different top coats. I can literally just use this one, go about my manicure. This stuff is great. I used to hate it, like way back, like years ago. I tried it, I didn't like it. I didn't think it dried super quickly, but this is their new improved formula, and I would say that they did a very good job at improving this formula, because I love it now. So 4 of those. So we have some backups, and then a new one, and I want to say that I might have tried this in the past but since they did improve on the super dry, I wanted to try the Miracle Nail again, and this is a nail hardener, and these are from Diamond Cosmetics. Now I will say that you don't want to use a nail hardener all the time on your nails, because eventually they just become kind of brittle. When you bang them into things, they'll easily break, and I'm at the length now that I do need a little bit of strength added. Like my thumbnail is split and broke on the side, you can't tell, but I fixed it. I'm wearing ILMP's Reminisce nail polish, which is a green blue duochrome. Can you tell how the thumbs there, it's blue, the thumb's green? Anyways, so hopefully this works out for me. And the last and final item from the Dollar Tree that I got today, and I've seen this there before, but I never picked it up until I seen it in someone's video recently. I was like, wow. That looks nice. And I think it was actually an Emily Noel video, but it's the Be Pure Infuse, or it could have been Sabrina. It was a video. It's an eyebrow highlighter. This looks so creamy and nice for under the brow. If it doesn't work out for me under brows, I'll use it in my waterline or inner tear duct. But the Be Pure products are pretty decent. So that was everything that I got from the Dollar Tree today. Hope you enjoyed the haul. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Don't forget to check the description box out, as well as the cards for additional links. And I thank you guys so very much for watching.